In this video, I'm going to show you how to bleed your brakes on your Kia Soul. Before we extract our fluid out of the master cylinder, you're going to clean off your cap so that you don't contaminate the master cylinder. Okay, you're going to take your cap off. You want to remove your little filter that's inside there. Set that aside on your pan that you have ready. All right, next thing you're going to do is siphon out your brake fluid. You can use a siphoner like this. It's also battery operated ones. Try to get as much fluid out as possible. Our extractor only goes in so fast, so there is going to be a little fluid left over. Put our filter back in. And we're going to top off our master cylinder with brake fluid. This vehicle takes .3 or 4. I'm going to fill it up to max. And now we're ready to bleed our brakes. We're going to follow the brake sequence. It's right rear first, then to the front left, and then to the left rear, and then to the front right. You're going to take off your bleeder cap, set that off to the side. You're going to use a 10mm wrench. Crack open that, make sure that bleeder opens. You're going to use this hose. You want to catch the fluid somehow, so you can use something like this or a pan below. And then you're going to have a partner in the vehicle, and you're going to ask them to pump the brakes. And then you're going to ask them to hold. And when they hold, you're going to open the bleeder. Is that to the floor?
It's on the floor, down.
Then you're going to close the bleeder. Pump it up, please.
Holding.
Holding, and then I open the bleeder. That's to the floor. Close the bleeder. And do one more. Pump it up.
Holding.
And open the bleeder. That's to the floor. And then close the bleeder. You're going to close that bleeder down. Replace your cap. Let's clean our area and move on to the next wheel. All right, so now you're going to take your cap off the bleeder, run this one, place your hose on, and do the same thing you just did. So pump it up, please.
Holding.
And you're going to close it, Pump it up, please.
Holding.
Close it. Do one more.
Holding.
All looks good. You're going to close that down. Going to put your cap back on. Going to clean our area. And then you're going to check your master cylinder and add fluid. So now we're going to top off our fluids. Make sure it goes to the max. Our cap back on. After topping off your fluid, repeat the bleed process on the next two wheels, the left rear and the right front. And now we're ready to go back up top and check our fluid in our master cylinder, make sure it's topped off, goes to the max. Our cap back on. All right, now that you've checked your level on your master cylinder, you're going to get in your vehicle and you're going to check your brake pedal. If your brake pedal feels a little spongy, you might have to bleed your brakes again. If it feels hard and it's right at the top, then you're good to go and you should take it for a test drive.
When only the best will do, demand TRQ. The only company that lets you view before you do. TRQ is committed to offering the highest quality aftermarket auto parts that are engineered for peace of mind. Thanks for using and viewing with TRQ.